Hello and welcome. I am JV with the Cyber and U team, and today we're going to go over how to change your primary DNS or domain name service. And the reason we would want to do this is if, let's say, we're able to access the websites that we generally visit, be it CNN, Fox News, MSNBC, whoever, you're still able to access those, but you're not able to access the websites that you generally do not go to. Be it, I don't know, ESPN potentially. So when this happens, the reason why you're able to access your old websites that you generally look at is because this is cached within your computer. And for the websites that you generally do not go to, they're not cached, which does not allow you to visit them if the primary DNS is down, which is going to go through your internet service provider or ISP. Be that AT&T, CenturyLink, or whoever it may be. So a quick fix for this is you go to the bottom right. You're going to see a little monitor type of screen. You're going to right click and then click on Open Network and Internet Settings. And then you're going to scroll down here and then you see how it says Change Adapter Options. Click that and then you'll be greeted with some options. The one that you want to go with should have network right here in the middle. It might say Wi-Fi at the top instead of Ethernet 0, or it'll also say other things below that. It just depends on what kind of NIC you're using or network interface. So for this one, it'll be this Ethernet 0. I'm going to right click on it, hit Properties, and then we're just going to do an IPv4, and I'm going to click on IPv4 here and then click Properties. And then since we want to manually change the DNS or domain name service, we're going to click on the radio button right here and change this to Google's primary DNS, which is 8.8.8.8. And then all you do is you hit OK, close, and that'll take effect at that point, and now you should be able to visit all the sites that you were previously able to visit. I'm going to have in the description a couple more public domain name services besides Google's, just in case Google's goes down as well, your internet service providers goes down, and so forth. So hopefully this fixes your issue of being able to not access sites you generally do not access. And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you in more videos.